Withdrawing money using a Visa card is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure smooth transaction. Step 1. Locate an ATM. Find an ATM that accepts Visa cards. Look for the Visa logo on the machine or check your bank's website for a list of compatible ATMs. Step 2. Insert your card. Insert your Visa card into the ATM. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions for card insertion, as some machines may require you to swipe or tap your card. Step 3. Enter your PIN. Once your card is accepted, enter your personal identification number PIN using the keypad. Ensure that no one is watching while you enter your PIN for security. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. After entering your PIN, choose the option for cash withdrawal. You may need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw, so select the desired amount from the available options or enter a custom amount. Step 5. Collect your cash and card. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the AirShock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, withdrawing money using a Visa card is simple when you follow these steps. Always ensure your surroundings are safe and secure during the transaction.